Hi, it's Peg. Thanks for joining me. Today we did a live show on AJOS Sharing, which is our sister channel. Chelsea and I do a live show each Thursday. And today we were gel printing. And what were we gel printing? We were gel printing artist trading cards because, yeah, June is the month that's all about artist trading cards. As you saw the slide at the beginning of the video, we are doing artist trading cards every day in the month of June. So this is just one method for making artist trading cards, and I have a couple of gel plates out on my table. These are just small ones. I have a couple of 5x7 and a 6x6, and I am using some grungy stuff, some powder, some paints from Deco Art, and some graphite to create these really grungy looking prints. And then I'm going to pull up whatever is left on the plate using some packing tape. And you'll see what I do with that later. But yeah, I'm just cleaning the stuff off. And then I'm going to use some more of that graphite and some Pearl-Ex and some Perfect Pearls powders and put that on the backer where it's sticky. And then I'm going to use some more stencils. These are Stencil Girl stencils I'm using today. I have I think about 5 of the Stencil Girl stencils that are artist trading card size. And then you'll see I've got some digital download stuff. This is freebies from the internet. If you go over and check out AJOS Sharing or Pick a Stick Challenge, the file is there for you to print off and use on the back of your ATC cards. So I'm just going to continue to print some backgrounds, making some colorful paper to use for my artist trading cards. And, you know, I show a couple of different effects that you can get using stencils and the gel plate. And I'll end up with, I don't know, 6 or 8 different backgrounds to make cards with. And since we're doing a whole month long and I need about 30 of them, I don't mind having a few extras. So that was my tin that I store my gel plate in, because now I'm ready to cut up the pieces that I created. And you can see I used some black paper and some cardstock and some just some text weight paper, but it can all be used in creating artist trading cards. So I'm just trimming down. An artist trading card is 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches, if you don't know that already. And this stencil from Seth is just the right size to fit on an artist trading card. So yeah, you can see I've got a lineup going there of the backgrounds that we created. And I'm just going to continue to glue those up. And now I'm starting to do my layers. You know, once you have your background, then it's all about layering things up and creating a collage on your little tiny card. These are great for trades. I have another video that I did about a week ago that shows how you can store that kind of stuff. So trading cards are all about trading, and you want to have a way of preserving those memories from your friends. And so I show you several different ways that you can handle that. So I'm just going to continue layering things up here. I'm cutting out a little dress, going to draw a little caricature here, and I'll, you know, decorate my cards. But if you're interested in the Facebook groups, please do come and join us. We have a lot of fun. There's a lot of content over there, especially on AJOS Sharing, where we have different instructors that do instructional tutorials for you all month long. So yeah, there's a video file over there for that. And the Pick a Stick Challenge, there are 3 different challenges that are offered each month. Oh, I forgot to mention the challenges that are offered in Art Joy Sharing too. So we have a lot of different challenges going on, and it just, you know, gets your mojo working, gets your muse fired up to create. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you do come and join us making artist trading cards this month. They're not that hard to do. You see, this is an hour and a half, and I was able to knock out a number of cards. So check out our groups. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe. Thanks, everybody.